followed this truck that seemed to be carrying like it was like a maze, and like check how dirty our bikes are now because of it. We're gonna try and clean some of it off now, but this is a proper adventure. Alrighty guys, here we are at our campsite. Those are the bikes that brought us here. This is the view. Absolutely beautiful view. I don't think we could have asked for a better view than this. And yeah, this is the campsite. Behind these beautiful big trees. It took us a while to find them, but we eventually did. And yeah, this is the hammock camping. We come in here. There's Calvin. That's kind of the setup.